Welcome to the ISMA Virtual Summit Hub. Take a few minutes to explore the Virtual Summit Hub so that you can get the most out of this week's activities. Here, you will find a newsfeed where we will be sharing the free events and all of the recordings of the tickets that you've purchased. Feel free to leave your thoughts, feedback, and comments here under each video, or make a post to share a more detailed feedback or comment post. You can also use these tags at the top of the feed to filter for videos or posts that are based on each day. If you'd like to learn more about the ISMA news section or speakers, you can also use these tags. Don't worry about the group sections. We're going to put you in the appropriate groups based on the tickets that you've purchased. Let's now talk a bit about the delegate directory. The delegate directory is your opportunity to add information to your bio and profile so that other delegates can get to know you, and you can use this week as a networking opportunity. In order to update your profile, please click here on the profile icon and press Edit. This will enable you to share information about your career, your LinkedIn profile, or any other links that you think other delegates would find useful. You can also change your photo. Next, we can take a look at the calendar. The calendar will show you the week-long's worth of events, including how to purchase tickets for things you may not have already bought, or links based on your tickets. Finally, we'll have the summit videos and the document sections. In the summit videos, you will find all the recordings of this week's pre-recorded sessions and live sessions shortly after they finished. You can click once again on the different day tabs to filter the videos based on the day that you're looking for. You can also use the search here to find things based on keywords, names, or other search criteria. Finally, we have a document section in which we've added the full program for the week and also each program based on day. You can message other delegates or speakers and connect with those messages here by pressing Message. If you have any questions on how to navigate this hub or can't find something that you're looking for, please feel free to press Help and email susan@eugenie.io and she'll help you find what you're looking for. We hope you have an amazing week inside this week-long online experience that has taken the ISMA team months of hard work. We look forward to connecting with you in the Summit Hub soon.